Hi everyone, today I wanted to show the best 3 apps that you can download on your Huawei Nova 9 SE smartphone. So let's go ahead and start. We'll open up the app gallery. And some of the apps that are going to be presented today are not available in the app gallery itself, so we'll have to download APK files. But the download and installation process of APK files of an app is as easy as it would be from the App Store itself, or in this case Huawei apps. So the first app that I wanted to show you guys is called Notify Buddy. It basically allows you to set up the LED notifications for a smartphone. Let me just go ahead and download the APK file for it. I'll show how you can do it easily. So you just go to the page. It asks if you want to download or cancel it. Just press download. The download process has been successfully started, as you can see. Let me just get back to the app real quick. And as you can see, it says this app is being downloaded. Just press download again. Download. Go to the downloads of your device, or basically when the download will be finished, it will automatically check the app if it has any malware, and if not, as you can see, it says no threats found. You can just go ahead and install it after the APK file of an app has been downloaded. So it's being installed right now, as you can see right here, and it has been installed successfully. So first time setting this app, let me just lead you through the process. You just grant this permissions to an app. It's basically just notification access and overlay permission. Find Notify Buddy right here, draw over other apps, and so all the notifications that it needs, we have granted them to it. Here on the first tab, as you can see, user, you can choose an apps that you would like to set LED notifications for. I'll just set them up for Fortnite app. On the second tab right here, where this little Android icon is, you can set up some LED notifications not only for apps but also for some processes or some very custom things that I would not dive into in the details, but just for you to know. This tab, it allows you to manage the notification, LED notification that has been already activated. So as we enabled the LED notifications for the Fortnite app and for the Fortnite game, and as you can see, it appears right here, so you can manage them in here. You can also just change the either turn on or turn off the enable LED function, or pick the color. I'll just change it to, I don't know, let's say red. Unfortunately, you cannot change the LED shape in the free version of an app. So but that's fine. No worries on this end. It's good enough to have to be able to choose the color for us. There is also some various settings as well, which you can play with, and you can customize them pretty easily. The settings that you can customize, it's like blink intervals, stop timers, delays, etc. And here you can also test how your LED notification will look like this, as you see this blinking blue, or should I say teal circle. Let me just get back to the app real quick. So this preview puts the phone into the lock mode, as you can see. And in order to get back, just unlock the screen however you like. And if you have the gestures, just swipe right. If you have the buttons, just press on the get back button. So that was it for Notify Buddy app. The next app that I wanted to show you guys is called Unseen app. It allows you to read the messages from various messengers or social networks, and as you read them, the person that is on the other side of the screen will not see the fact that the message has been read. So the app is called Unseen. looks just like here. We will need to download an APK file for it as well. Just press on download APK. As you see, the app has been downloaded, or should I say you have added the app to the download list. You can monitor the process on the notifications panel. Just tap on it, allow, install, open, press on next. There is a little guide explaining how the app works. Here you can choose the apps that you would like to connect to this app, or should I say messengers that you would like to connect to this app. You can see the full list of available applications that can be used with this unseen app. You just gotta gain some authorization and permissions to the app as well, as it was in the previous case. And basically all the apps that you will authorize with unseen, all the chats from this app will appear right here on this first page. There are also tabs for each specific app. For example, this one is for the Facebook Messenger, this one is for WhatsApp, and this one is for Instagram direct messages. So that was it for this app. We are moving on to the next app, which is called Who Touched My Phone. You just go to the app gallery again, type in Who Touched My Phone, search for it. Let me find it real quick. Just a brief moment, I'll just see how this app should look like. As far as I can remember, it should look like probably this, but I'm not certain. Let me try to look for its alternative name. Alright, here we go. This one is the right app. You gotta just, as it was in the previous cases, download the APK file, confirm the download process. As you can see, it started. The process has been started and finished very quickly. You also gotta install this app manually, just like that. As you can see, it has been successfully installed. Just open the app. It also contains the little instruction, or should I say tutorial, that explains how this app works. But basically you just open up the app, press this tab in order to turn on the monitoring, allow Who Touched My Phone to take photos, pictures basically. Alright, so I'll go ahead and just grant the information access permit to it. And as you can see, since the turn on button on this app turned green, that means that the app is active. So basically what this app does is, once your screen is locked and somebody tries to unlock your screen or touch your phone, it takes the photo, and the person does not spot that the phone takes the photo, the person that is trying to access your screen. For example, even if it presses the person presses the power button in order to unlock the phone, it takes pictures. When the phone is unblocked, it takes pictures as well. So let me just unblock the phone real quick. All right. And in order to see all the tries of people or whoever to unlock your phone, just open up this app, and as you can see, the app says that there was some unlock attempt, and you gotta the turn screen off once again. So the report will be completed. You can switch between reports by using this button. And as you can see, it took the picture. Since the phone has been laying like that, it took the picture of anything that is upwards the phone. And basically, to sum up, this app just takes pictures and that are pretty much imperceptible for the person who tries to access your phone. But obviously, if you'll be the person, that is no problem. So you'll definitely know whether somebody or someone has tried to touch your phone. That's how the app is called. So that was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.